Hello friends and traders, let's welcome you to the analysis of AMD stock using the 369 Apex tool, which combines the geometry of various elements to give us the apex turning points we are seeking through geometrical structures. This is the chart of AMD on a weekly time frame. We're going to use 3694 stock apex analysis. The point again is always looking at the big bars where we see them visually, where the ending points are going to be, and so this point was known to us 1 year in advance for AMD, as you can see. Alright, and then also we need to understand some other scenarios where we can also use this for what we call as timer. Remember, this is the exhaustion bar coming up, market is blowing off. This is the very big initiative move coming off weekly, and you can see the middle of the triangle is also acting as the timing phenomena right at the apex. So we have time and price merging, pinpointed by this singular tool. Then we have a downward moving elements. You can see here, very big bar. Let's place this alright, so that's the tool. We have to place it on the biggest bar you can see. So this is what Mr. Gann mentioned, the overflow underflow of the energy. The square ended here, so we had this geometrical structure. Let's mark those structures. Alright, so it ended at this apex. Alright, this is how the mathematics of squaring, triangular mathematics as well as the circular mathematics is coming together in time and price. So what do we have here is the phenomena which we took advantage of. I think most of you should have, if you have been on this channel. I think we should thank the retail market, where they were able to really contribute towards all this structure going up and down, and the entire global events unfolded beautifully. Okay, now where are we going to be at is now looking at this big initiative bars. Now this is an exhaustion bar, right? This big last bar is an exhaustion bar. So if you're looking at this structure, we're looking at, okay, this is my trend line break. It broke here. This guy broke this trend line. So I need to start tracking this initiative move now based on this tool. So one of the obvious reason is to put it here is this is exhaustion, because remember, cycles are floating on all sides. So it might run up back to this retest of this high. We don't know how much time it will take there. But before it gets there, we also have this 184 level. Alright. So that is, watch these levels. Now on this initiative move bar, And then if you look at this closely, we are trying to retrace into this bearish zones as well, where the initiative moves took place. All right, so here we are looking at just this weekly structure. We have broken quite a bit of trend lines here with this bar. Alright, so looking at all this scenario, let's mark this. Okay, and let's people who have C54, you should do your C54 mathematics. I'm just gonna mark these levels just as a reminder where we're coming from, where we are, and where we have been talking about doing the how off we are from the base. And the breakout. Alright, so I think this confirms it further. We're gonna end into this structure for sake of measurement. Here it is, 210, 220. It gets there when it gets there. So what we have done, we have reinitiated our move here already. So we took this advantage. It has been a great year so far, so we have taken advantage of this scenarios, if you understand what's going on, right? Which you should, if you have been tracking. If you look at this trend line, look at this trend line, look at the distance it is moving. Look at that. We have been doing this through VWAP. Now we can just do this through this trend line. Look at this distance and snapbacks, distances and snapbacks. All right, simple thing. You know, that alone can get you quite into a positive outcome for your analysis. Now heading into the daily basis, we had this done. The market it might be getting here. When it was here, no one wants to believe it, right? Oh wow, and here it is. See all the analysis we gave you in months in advance, months and months in advance, right here. The blue line was hit. Earlier this blue was hit. If you just take this blue, it was hit here, and then this blue and hit here, back to this blue, hit here, back to this blue, hit here. Third time it rejected from this blue. Now this is on daily basis heading up. It's heading up here. It's already marked from prior analysis. No need to change that, right? Alright, there we go. And on the bottom we have our level 1 oscillators, which is very clearly telling us that we are in a bullish mode right here. By here, look at the bottom. You have the oscillators, you have the contract tracker, you have the contract tracker. Okay, and if you remember, we put this just to keep you in a good mood that hey, even my oscillators are working. These are the typical oscillators which the world has trained you on, so they have value if they all converge. For example, they converged here, right, along with the contract tracker, converged here, no issues. On a daily basis, check out the instrument. You know, it may not work with everything. Now remember, these are daily charts, not 2-minute charts. If I stretch it, alright, if I stretch this is $70 moves, $70 moves. So on a weekly basis, if you put it on a weekly basis, contract tracker 369 contract tracker level 1 offers this package. After doing level 1, you should be able to professionally trade stocks, if nothing else. and then do the analysis effectively. You can also be a professional advisor, do your CMA certifications, certified market analyst, and you can take advantage of all these opportunities you have learned in level 1. You can also manage your own money, obviously. So contract tracking is going on, collecting the contracts all the way here, and then it took off. It took off. Why? Because it reached the geometrical structure. I hope it makes sense. So multi-time frame is critical. Use the tools and methodologies you have learned, and then basic things I showed you. So this is where we are for AMD. Just wanted to bring this to the table because funds are going in. Next time we will talk about, we're looking at the fundamental fund migrations, how they work on quarterly basis, on monthly basis, how the money rotates. We can just see that visually. The leaders, the laggards, and sector based analysis, we can show that in the next video. This was, I wanted to bring this to the table for folks who are in AMD, starting here and here. We know where we are going, and if you're hedged properly, let it run. 1 year out hedges, let it run. Thank you.